Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it. Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
And I'm Musclehead Kev.
And we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
We're back at it. We got our white unis on, so you know what that means, buddy?
That means we're in color. You've got a button up. You missed one down here, too.
What?
Yep. So, listen, we are hanging out in Colorado.
You want to undress me in front of the crowd.
Well, we did say on our last episode of the last year, that you were going to get naked at some point. So,
it's a little early. This is just the first episode of the new season.
So, hey, welcome back. If you're seeing this, then you're probably seeing us on YouTube. So you already know where we are on YouTube, but we're on every social media. Just search Klar Brothers Bistro. You can find us on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram.
Yep.
We're all over the place, man.
And we want you to hit the like and subscribe.
That's right.
And turn on the post notifications.
Yeah.
And if you leave a comment, like we got a special today.
That's right. We're giving away some free merch, so you got to listen up for the clues. We might offer some free merch today, but actually today we're going to be giving away free merch, so you missed your chance. Sorry.
All right. So with that, what are we doing today? We're doing turkey tacos.
Lettuce wraps.
Lettuce wraps.
Turkey taco lettuce wraps with Spanish rice cauliflower.
Right. So super healthy. It's going to be turkey meat, so it's going to be a little leaner.
And hey, it's a one-pot wonder. It only takes one. Yeah.
It's 2 pots. We're going to put the rice in the same pot.
Right. One each. One for the rice.
Hang with us, and we're going to walk you through the super simple recipe. Buddy, this doesn't look bad at all.
No, we're back to we're in our element now.
Right. It's super tasty.
Well, we don't know about the tasty part
super
yet.
Well, we can take that for granted. We don't make nothing.
Healthy. Got to be healthy.
Right.
First and foremost.
Easy.
Got to be easy to make. Got to be relatively cheap to satisfy my cheap brother, and it's got to taste good. And we'll let you know how it tastes at the end. Right?
That's right.
Yeah. The lettuce is going to be the taco shell. So we got 2 different varieties because you can get all kinds of lettuce. So we got.
I like me a street taco. What do you got for that?
We don't have any street tacos, buddy. Butter lettuce. You make a little taco.
Okay.
This is not as good as the leaves I've seen.
Let me see that leaf. Okay.
I don't know exactly what lettuce they use, but this is good. And then the alternative is you got like a taco boat.
That's my style.
That's a taco canoe. On the side, we're gonna do our Spanish cauliflower rice. So we just picked up some real simple riced veggies, cauliflower, no sauce, seasoning. It's 100% natural, so you definitely want to pay attention to that. And we're gonna add in some of this here, this rotel. We're gonna add that in to give this a little Spanish kind of a flavor. So that's what's gonna make up kind of this, the lettuce, the taco shell, and the cauliflower.
1 packet per pound. So we got a couple of pounds here. We'll put a couple of packets in there. Super simple. Now, if you didn't want to do this, you could use, what did we say, Ken? We could use pepper and salt and
chili. Chili pepper flakes.
So
yeah, now wait, how come you don't have olive oil? You got that spray pan stuff. What the heck's going on there?
This is an easy way of doing a little goes a long ways. Remember, the problem with some of these things that we do is we put a little in the pan, and if a little good is a lot is better. Well, this way it keeps you from a lot is better. We're gonna get all this stuff cooking up. It's a pretty quick meal, but we're gonna get it all cooking up, and we'll give you a little insight on how we do. We're doing it, look.
What are you doing? You stirring it up or what?
We're browning up, I'm chopping it up and browning up the meat.
And you got to cover it?
I'm covering it because it'll cook a little faster.
Okay.
And I'm gonna add the seasoning in here, and I'm gonna make sure we get rid of the fat, because if there's any fat, I don't want to get rid of it.
Right.
All right, what are you doing?
Well, I got the rice cauliflower in a pot. See here?
Okay.
You can put this in the microwave too, but we got it going in the oven. I mean, in the stove here. We're just kind of sauteing.
But that doesn't look like Spanish.
No, it's not Spanish yet.
It looks like a white guy. That looks like white guy.
We're gonna add this rotel, whole can of it, and it's gonna Spanify it up.
Look! Woo-hoo, it's all browned up.
Did you see that steam rise?
It's all browned up. Check it out. Did you see it?
Okay, let me look.
Okay, now I'm gonna tear open our packet. I'm gonna dump it in. It says to add water, but I've had a lot of success by not adding a bunch of extra water because you end up having just to boil off the water, whereas the seasoning will just soak in nice the way it is.
All right.
The rotel goes in next, and we just dump the whole thing in there, and it adds a little liquid. And of course some chunks, some tomato chunks and stuff.
All right.
I'll zoom in on that now, bro.
Ooh.
That's what we're gonna stir in. That's gonna make this kind of a Spanish style cauliflower rice.
Okay.
I think the cauliflower is actually done, and now we're just letting this tomato sauce kind of
like the meat, right? We're just letting it season and flavor throughout.
Yeah.
Awesome. We're back and we're ready to give away our...
Woo! And first, we got this awesome mug, right? It's a Yeti mug. I think it's 24 ounces or something. And it says Brothers Bistro on there, so it's custom, and you get your very own, and we want to thank all the people that participated. So
There were so many, we almost couldn't write them down. Garrett Garlinger.
Okay.
Kimberly Lewis.
Right.
Krista Fisher, Ed Gross, and Ginny Goldstein. All right? So now I'm going to do my random.org little thing. Whoa, number 4! Four. Who's number 4? I got to remind myself who the hell number 4 is. Ed Gross! Ed, you're the winner, buddy! All we need is your mailing info. We'll send it on over.
Yeah.
Maybe he lives in Santa Clarita, I think.
I think we
can
know
probably
him.
drop it off.
Yeah. But Ed, reach out to us. We'll send you a private message, I think, on YouTube or maybe on Facebook, and we'll get in contact. We just need your shipping info.
Congratulations, buddy!
Yeah. And for those of you that missed out, you missed out. So there's going to be more opportunities in the future, but you got to keep participating.
That's right.
Winner has to be present to win.
Okay, hang with us. We're coming right back, and we're going to finish up this tasty recipe.
Exactly.
Well, we're back.
Yeah, we're back, and we got the final reveal here for you. So I think what we're going to do first is we're going to start with this cauliflower rice, which we've made kind of Spanish rice. It looks good, and it smells good.
All right, so we put a little bit on each plate. So we got our little plate going.
Nice. Okay. Now we're going to fill our tacos with the taco meat. Look at that steam coming off there, huh, buddy?
Look at that, buddy.
All right, here's a little spoon for you.
All right, let me do it. Now remember, you're going to get about 5 ounces, so we're kind of guessing right now, but you could weigh it out as well. We just didn't.
And then do mine.
But it's lean, super lean turkey. So we're going to get our 5 ounces, and we're going to be good to go. And then we're going to add in a little bit of our salsa.
Right.
And a little bit of
the guac.
Our guac.
Can't forget the guac.
Right. Let me have a little guac. I'll switch with you.
Okay.
So I like my guacamole. So, and it's a healthy fat. Good news. It's good for you. Okay, you gotta be careful because it's pretty high in
And then the
calories.
final ingredient we can't
That's
forget.
right.
Cheese it up.
Cheese to taste.
That's right. Which means lots of cheese. And then if you want to add a little hot sauce, we happen to have Tapatio here. You can add a little hot sauce on top. And you could also easily make like a lettuce bowl.
Right.
Give my bro some hot sauce. I know he doesn't want it.
All right.
There you go. Now, if you're interested in finding out more about our healthy program, we love to help people get healthy, right?
That's right. You can find us on klarhealth.com. And right there we have a little scrolling screens of some of the people we've helped.
Yep.
There's a quick little 7-minute video on the program itself and a free health assessment.
Yep.
And then we'll connect with you and answer any questions you might have. If it's a good fit, we'd love to help you out. So just check us out.
We just want to find out what you want to achieve and help you get there. So with that,
That's right. Brothers Bistro, out.